The function y equal x to the power of 2 minus 5x plus 4. We need to sketch this function, not graph. If we want to graph, we have to make a table, choose values for x, substitute to find values of y, get points, put each point in its place in the coordinates, and match between them. But here we have to sketch. Sketching similar to graphing, but in sketching we have to get only 4 items. After getting these 4 items, we can sketch the graph. What are these 4 items? First, the graph opened up or down. Second, turning point. Here, third, points, intersection with x-axis. Here, points of intersection with y-axis. And we'll see now how to find each one of them. To know if the graph is opened up or down, it's according to the coefficient of x to the power of 2. First of all, the equation or the expression should be written in the standard form. The standard form is 1ax power 2 plus bx plus c. The coefficient of x power 2, which is a. If it's greater than 0, it's positive, the graph will be opened up. If it's smaller than 0, it will be opened down. So mentally we can know the first point which is opened up or down from the coefficient of x power 2. The turning point, we have to solve this equation, which is x power 2 minus 5x plus 4, and then we have to solve. But it's better to solve by completing the squares. If it can be solved by factorizing, it's okay. But not all questions can be solved by factorizing, so it's better to solve by completing the squares. So first we'll complete the squares for this expression. X to the power of 2 minus 5x plus 4. It's written in the standard form and the coefficient of x power 2 equal 1. Then take the middle number, divide by 2, all to the power of 2. And there is another video in which completing the squares is explained. Equal 25 over 4. This value will be added after the second term and subtracted after the last term. So it will be x to the power of 2 minus 5x plus 25 over 4 plus 4 minus 25 over 4. The first 3 terms will be in one bracket, and this bracket will be bracket power 2. The square root of the first one, x. The square root of the last one, 5 over 2. The middle sign will be the same, it's minus. Here we have to collect these 2 terms, which are 4 minus 25 over 4, which is equal negative 9 over 4. This is the complete square form for the expression. How to use it to find the 3 other parts: the turning point and the point of intersection with x-axis, points of intersection with y-axis. Turning points will get it direct from this expression. We will take this number with the inverse sign and this number with the same sign. This number will be x coordinate and this number will be y coordinate. So the turning point will be 5 over 2 and negative 9 over 4. What about the other 2 points? Points of intersection with x-axis and points of intersection with x-axis, y-axis. To find points of intersection with y-axis, we have to put x equals 0 in this expression. So it will be y equal 0 minus 5 over 2 all to the power of 2 minus 9 over 4, and calculate. Here it's 25 over 4 minus 9 over 4 equal 4. This is y coordinate of this point. What is the point of intersection with x-axis? Point of intersection with y-axis, usually x equals 0. Here we find points of intersection with y-axis by putting x equals 0. We'll get the value of y coordinate of this point. X coordinate in any point on y-axis equals 0. So the point will be 0 and 4. How to find points of intersection with x-axis? Similarly, we will put y equals 0 and solve the equation. So 0 equal x minus 5 over 2 all to the power of 2 minus 9 over 4, and complete the solution. Move this part to the other side. So x minus 2 x minus 5 over 2 all to the power of 2 equal 9 over 4. Square root, and don't forget positive or negative. Cancel power 2 with root, so x minus 5 over 2 equal positive or negative 3 over 2. And then x equal, move this part to the other side, 5 over 2 plus or minus 3 over 2. So we have two values. X equal 5 over 2 plus 3 over 2, which is 4. 8 over 2 equal 4. The second one, x equal 2 over 2 equal 1. 5 over 2 minus 3 over 2 equal 2 over 2 equal 1. This point will be 4 and 0, 1 and 0. Similarly, points of intersection with x-axis, y coordinate equal 0. So here we find the 4 items. The first item, which is the graph opened up or down. From the coefficient here, it's opened up because the coefficient of x power 2 is positive, so it's opened up. The turning point from completing squares, it's 5 over 2 and negative 9 over 4. Points of intersection with y-axis by putting x equals 0 is 0 and 4. Points of intersection with with x-axis by putting y equals 0 and solving 4 and 0, 1 and 0. Then still the sketch. How to sketch? We don't have to get graph paper, just draw coordinates like this and put the 4 points: the turning point, point of intersection with y-axis, points of intersection with x-axis. Points of intersection with x-axis 1 and 0, 4 and 0. The turning point, or we can get first point of intersection with y-axis, it's 0 and 4. Here it's 0, here it's 4. So this point, what is the turning point? 5 over 2 and negative 9 over 4. 5 over 2 and negative 9 over 4. 5 over 2 means 2.5, and here negative 2.25. Here it's 1, so 2.5 will be in the middle here, or in this place like this, and go down to the point 2.25 and match with hands like this. Sorry, we can repeat it to be more accurate. Like this. You have to get the last point. This is sketching, not graphing. The sketch should be logic, not accurate.